Hey guys, Wesley. Well, you know Wesley, he's the one that donated all the drivetrain for this build. Keys Kustoms, Wesley. Well, anyway, Wesley and Jennifer come up, took a ride in it, and I got it all on tape. So Wesley and Jennifer will be putting up a video on their channel of that ride too. So yeah, go check out their channel. You might see more about it, see more of what's happening. Anyway, I'm gonna put a link to their channel under the description of the video so you can go straight to it. Keys Kustoms. I'm gonna roll the tape. The whole thing, you can watch it all, skip around, or just watch part of it, whatever. And yeah, roll the tape.
That's right. Look. There's no neutral safety switch. No to 10 on the shifter. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, second, reverse. I just put a drive unless I want to do a burnout or something. I put a drive, let it shift on its own. Shift fire, downshift, everything. But when you drive, you gotta be careful you don't accidentally bump shift or whatever, knocking up reverse. Oh yeah, I go to park. You wanna go for a ride, man?
Sure.
All right. You gotta say anything to me, say it now, because I can't hear you in there.
Yeah, you can't hear nothing while you're in the car, so.
So I told Bob, I said, there's no use in me and you trying to talk. He said, what? All right, here we go.
All right.
We're gonna go to the same spot and turn back around and come back. Okay.
Hey, just remember, no roll bar on that.
No, I'm not gonna get stupid.
But hey,
yes, sir.
I ain't gonna need it, but behind that.
Got plenty of leg
seat
room.
Pocket behind that seat on that side, I got the registration and liability insurance.
Okay.
So it's legal.
What do
All
I
right,
put on this?
so
Just grab this or that, either one. I grab the knob, but you grab
Okay.
either one.
what's your
That's a rat rod.
what's your other 3 switches for? So ignition, start.
And the
What's
game.
them 3?
First one's a fuel pump, second one's a fan, third one's the lights. Turn them all on.
All right.
I like the leg room.
Yeah, it's got leg room.
I don't think so.
good job on everything.
I love those little baby parrots.
And you can actually see out of them.
Yeah.
That termite over there with some pipe.
Yeah.
This thing's fun. It's kind of like the jet boat.
Yeah.
Got filming out there.
Oh my God. Okay.
Got good brakes. I was in the moment. I was going past Bob's driveway. I was just thinking about being on 90 and cruising the coast.
How do you open the door with this?
Push up.
Okay.
All right, guys, appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscriptions are free all week. Ain't no big deal, but if you want to subscribe, it don't cost you anything, don't cost a dime. But appreciate you. Stay tuned, see what happens next.